नमस्कार. हंग्री हार्टच्या एपिसोडमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट अ फिल्म. आई होप यू लाइक माय लास्ट एपिसोड. मेरे बालों से मेरे उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता एंड यू मस्ट हैव एन्जॉयड दॅट. राईट. तर आज मी बोलणार आहे मला आवडलेल्या एका फिल्मविषयी, रादर वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म्स. राईट. द टायटल इज लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल. येस, यू हर्ड इट राईट. लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल. And perhaps you have seen this movie. I strongly recommend that you must see this movie. You must watch this movie. It is on YouTube. No, though not full movie, but in clips. Movie clips नावाचं चॅनल आहे यूट्यूबवर. त्याच्यावर ही मूवी मी पाहिलेली आहे आणि आय स्ट्रॉंगली रेकमेंड दॅट यू मस्ट वॉच दिस मूवी. व्हॉट इज दिस मूवी अबाउट? बेसिकली एकदम शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन मी देणार आहे तुम्हाला. फार काही त्याच्याविषयी सांगणार नाही. पण कारण की इट्स नॉट अ फुल डिस्कोर्स अबाउट दॅट मूवी, राईट. पण तरीसुद्धा जेवढं सांगता येईल तेवढं सांगणार आहे. कारण की मला असं वाटतं की यू मस्ट वॉच दिस मूवी. ही पाहिलीच पाहिजे अशी मूवी आहे. आणि सध्याच्या काळामध्ये जिथे आपण वी आर ग्रम्बलिंग अबाउट व्हेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स, राईट, इन लाईफ. दिस कोरोना लॉकडाऊन इज देअर आणि आपण सगळे कुठेतरी मनात हताश झाल्यासारखे आहोत की काय चाललंय वगैरे वगैरे. दॅट्स ऑल राईट. बट दिस फिल्म टॉक्स अबाउट द वर्ल्ड वॉर, right? The situation of the World War II and not only the World War but also about Nazi Germany, right? Where Hitler had erected so many concentration camps where he kept Jews, right? And tortured them. His people, his officers tortured those people and murdered them and did so many ugly things with them. सो कंटेक्स्ट या ज्या मूवीचा आहे हा पण आहे होलोकास्ट, हा जो झाला बिफोर अँड ड्युरिंग द वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड. बेसिकली ही मूवी कशी आहे तर ऑब्विसली इट्स अ व्हेरी ह्युमरस मूवी. यू विल लाफ, ॲटलिस्ट इन द इनिशियल पार्ट्स यू विल लाफ अ लॉट, राईट. हिलॅरियस काही काही सीन्स तर खूप हिलॅरियस आहेत. अँड देन इट गेट्स ऑन दॅट पॉइग्नन्सी, राईट. कोणाविषयी मूवी? तर मूवी तसं म्हणलं तर आपल्या सगळ्यांविषयी आहे. इट्स अबाउट ऑल ऑफ अस, राईट. दोज who think that this life is beautiful, right? And those who must think, all of us must think that this life is beautiful. This movie is basically about a father. His name is Guido. This man is very happy-go-lucky, very who enjoys life. He lives every moment. He does not take life very seriously, right? Or at least he does not get bothered about the seriousness, about the tragedies of life. And he wants his son to believe the same, that life is beautiful. So हा जो आहे गिडो, राईट. हा तुम्हाला सांगायचं राहिलं, 1997 ही मूवी बनलेली आहे. अँड इट वॉन 3 अकॅडमी अवॉर्ड्स, 3 ऑस्कर्स इट वॉन. अँड द actor who played Guido also he's also the director of the movie, Roberto Benigni, right? An Italian. This movie is basically Italian. I watched it dubbed in English. I will say that I suggest that you also do the same. तर हा जो गिडो आहे, the first opening scene, is in Italy 1939, right? आणि 1939 मधला फर्स्ट सीन आहे. गिडो अँड हिज फ्रेंड दे आर गोईंग इन अ कार अँड द ब्रेक्स ऑफ दॅट कार हॅव ब्रोकन, दे आर फेल्ड. असा ब्रेक फेल झालेल्या कारमध्ये दे आर गोईंग अँड दे पास थ्रू अ गॅदरिंग ऑफ पीपल अँड ही इज टेलिंग दोज पीपल दॅट the brakes have failed, but he is obviously speaking in Italian, or rather he is speaking in his own language, in his own tongue. And those people consider him, they cannot listen to him, and they consider him as the king of Italy, right? So हा जो पहिला कॉमिक सीन आहे, then they meet the heroine of the play, Dora, of the movie, I'm sorry, heroine of the movie Dora. आणि ही जी डोरा ला ते आधी भेटतात, राईट. जो गिडो आहे त्याचा फ्रेंड आहे. सो द मूवी कंटिन्यूज अँड by various coincidences, various by accidents, he keeps meeting Dora. This Guido keeps meeting Dora again and again. Now Dora belongs to German. She is a German lady, and this Guido is a Jewish person. Now these two impossible characters, they come together, right? And they fall in love with each other. So as I said, by many accidents, they come together again and again, and they fall in love with each other. And to cut a long story short, one fine this Guido is he wins over Dora by his simple attitude towards life, his positive attitude towards life. You won't understand this exactly, that his positive attitude towards life, just by me telling or my discussion. Right? You must see that in movie. So he meets Dora, and he takes Dora away on a white horse, from a party. Right? He takes Dora away from a party in which the party is thrown by her fiance. Right? Her fiance is a German man. And they are going to marry, and he announces their wedding in that particular party. And from the same party, Guido takes away Dora on a horse. On that horse, it was written that a Jewish horse, a Jewish horse. It's an insult, but Guido doesn't care about that. He makes Dora sit on the horseback, and he takes away Dora to his uncle's home, or to the place where he's staying. And then the next scene is directly after 5 years. And here the movie takes grip of our mind, of our brains as well. इथे काय दाखवलेलं आहे की आफ्टर 5 years they have been happily married, and they have a son, right, whose name is Joshua, right? So very very cute boy he is, rather, that small boy who has played Joshua. He's very very cute, right? Very very happy, like his father, happy go lucky, like his father. And they are happily living. And Dora, as usual, she has continued teaching in the school, and Guido has opened a bookshop, right? So their life is going on quite smoothly. But then one fine day, I won't take much of the time explaining everything, because I want to focus on the main part of the movie. So quite happily, Dora, Guido, and Joshua, they are living. And one fine day, what happens that while Dora has gone to fetch her mother, right, to Joshua's birthday, the Nazi Gestapo, those Nazi soldiers, they come to Guido's Guido's house, their house, and they take away Guido and Joshua with them, right? When this girl comes home, this Dora comes home and finds that everything is topsy-turvy, she understands what must have happened, and she also goes to the railway station, where there is the freight train. It is not a train kind of. ती काही आपली नेहमीची पॅसेंजर ट्रेन नाही आहे, तर ती मालगाडी आहे. आणि त्या मालगाडीमध्ये लोकांना भरलं जाते, असा तो सीन आहे. व्हेरी व्हेरी पिटिएबल सीन. बट जेव्हा ते त्या एका गाडीमधनं आधी, एका मोठ्या ट्रकमधनं, जेव्हा ते त्या रेल्वे स्टेशनवर गिडोला, बाकीच्या लोकांना पकडून, सगळ्या ज्यू लोकांना पकडून ते घेऊन जात आहेत. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू रिमेंबर हिअर अगेन दॅट Guido and Joshua. Guido is basically Jew person. His uncle Leo, obviously, and other Jews, they have been cramped into a truck, and they are being taken to that particular railway station, from where they are taken to a concentration camp. So this Joshua is quite worried, a small child, 5 years old child, and he is quite worried, and he asks various questions to his father. to Guido, and Guido tells him that, see, इथे हा महत्वाचा पॉइंट आहे की जोशुआ asks Guido about uh, where they have been taken and all those things. And Guido tells him that, see, we are playing a game. This is a game. आता इथे ते टोटल पुढे जे काही होत आहे फॉर जोशुआ this becomes a game completely, right? However brutal, however inhuman it is for Guido and other people, but because Guido tells Joshua, father tells his son, that this is all a game, Joshua believes him. Joshua trusts his father, and that particular situation, horrible situation, does not affect very his mind, his small mind, his heart of a child. It does not affect him negatively, right? So, एक सांगायचं राहिलं, this movie is told by a narrator earlier, maybe rather Joshua himself. He is telling the story, right? At the beginning, he says that this story is full of wonder and full of happiness, right? So जेव्हा ते त्याला घेऊन जात आहेत जोशुआ आणि गिडोला, तर गिडो त्याला ट्रकमध्ये सांगतो की दिस इज अ गेम अँड वी मस्ट विन द गेम, राईट? कसला गेम आहे? तर दिस गेम इज वी आर ऑल प्लेइंग अँड ॲट द एंड इफ वी विन दिस गेम we are going to, Guido tells Joshua that we are going to win a tank. Joshua says that I already have a small tank, right, a toy tank with me. Guido says no, we are going to win a real tank, the tank we are going to win. And Joshua believes, that small child believes him, right? He is innocent, very innocent, Joshua. So they they take them to the railway station. They cram them in the railway station, and his mother, Joshua's mother, Dora, also reaches there. Now she is a German lady, and the German officer does not let her go into the train at first. He refuses. Then she insists that I must go with them, and she is also cramped with other women because the compartments of men and women, they are different. She is also cramped in that particular compartment, and they are sent to that concentration camp. Right? As soon as they get down, again men and women, they are separated, and they are driven away like cattle to different buildings. One building, one prison, one camp is for men, and another camp is for women. And again, to cut a long story short, they are given barracks. Bunks at there are bunks where they are supposed to sleep. And in those particular bunks, हे जे गिडो आणि जोशुआ त्यांची सोय केली आहे तिथे, सोय म्हणण्यापेक्षा आदर तिथे त्यांना टाकलेलं आहे. And all the time, every moment, hence, for every moment, Guido tells Joshua again and again that they are playing a game. Right? There is one particular episode I would like to tell, that a German officer comes into their barrack to warn them or to tell them the rules of that concentration camp, and he wants someone who would translate the German into Italian, right? So Guido goes forward. He does not understand German. He says, I do not understand German, to other inmates, other prisoners of that concentration camp, other people of the concentration camp. But he kind of translates those particular orders. Those orders are about, if someone goes out, he will be shot dead, and if someone, all those punishments in the concentration camp, and what they are going to do in that concentration camp. Those are the orders, but Guido translates them like the rules of the game, right? If you hide, if you do not talk, then you will get so many points. If you hide all the day, if you do not, he tells one thing, that if you do not go hungry, right? If you do not feel your hunger again and again, and then you will have, so and so points. And Joshua is smiling off at all that. हा एक पर्टिक्युलर इन्सिडेंट जो आहे तो आपल्या मनावर काय म्हणता येईल त्याला, मनाचा आपला कब्जा घेतो. इट कॅप्चर्स अवर माइंड बिकॉज हिअर इज अ फादर इन दॅट nearness to death, where death is, there all the time. One false step, rather one kind of mistake, and you will be killed immediately by those Nazi people. आणि अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये हा जो बाप आहे त्याच्या मुलाला हा सांगतोय की हा एक गेम आहे सगळा, आणि ही रिटेन्स द बिलीफ ऑफ हिज सन जोशुआ दॅट लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल. आणि हे खूप जास्त महत्वाचं आहे. हा क्रक्स आहे. बाकी सगळ्या डिटेल्स मधला वॉर मूवीज खूप बनलेल्या आहेत, नाझी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅम्प्सवर खूप मूवीज बनलेल्या आहेत. यू मस्ट सी अनादर मूवी, अ बॉय इन पजामाज, स्ट्रिप्ट पजामाज, हा सुद्धा मूवी जो आहे खूप सुंदर आहे. बॉय इन स्ट्रिप्ट पजामाज हा मूवी तुम्ही नक्की पहा, तो सुद्धा अवेलेबल आहे, असेल रादर. तर हा सगळा इथे पुन्हा मी येतोय मूवीकडे. जर्मन ऑफिसर हे सगळं सांगतोय आणि हा प्रसंग आपल्या मनावर कोरला जातो. इट इज इम्प्रेस्ड अपॉन अवर माइंड दॅट father's efforts to retain child's belief that life is beautiful. असं होतंय दररोज. एव्हरी डे गिडो इज गोइंग आउट फॉर दॅट लेबर विथ अदर prisoners in the concentration camp. And one fine day, where he is carrying the very heavy weights, all those people are carrying heavy weights. That work does not mean much actually. It is not a very productive work, but those works are just to torture the Jews, right? And one fine day, somehow this Joshua, he goes in that particular workshop where Guido is working, and Guido gets angry a little bit. Obviously, he does not show his anger, but he gets worried and concerned that what are you doing? Joshua replies that all the children have been taken for that bath, for the shower. So Guido says, why didn't you? He says, no, I don't like to be bathed. I do not like bath, and that's why I did not go. And he hides again. He hides and he goes into his barrack. And later, Guido realizes that particular bath, because when Guido comes again back into his barrack, Joshua is there and the barrack is empty. No other children are there. And then we realize the fact that the shower, which has been alluded, the shower was a kind of very sugar-coated name for the gas chambers. What Nazis would do, they would tell their prisoners that you are going to take showers, remove your clothes. And when all those prisoners would go naked, they would open those rather poisonous, the taps of the poisonous chemicals, those gases, right? And all the prisoners would die within few seconds or within few minutes. And here, Joshua and we also realize that, Guido and we also realize that Joshua has done a wise thing, though he does not understand that, because all other children have been sent to that particular gas chambers, to those showers. So again and again in the movie, आपल्याला ते कुठेतरी त्याचं हॉरिबल जे सगळं नेचर आहे, दॅट फिअर, दॅट ॲटमॉस्फिअर ऑफ डेथ, ते आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर येत राहतं. बट येत आहे, पण जोशुआ इज oblivious of all that, because his father has told that this is a game, right? This is a game. आणि हे चालू राहतंय. एक दिवस अगेन prisoners are taken out. Some of the prisoners are taken out. Guido is one of them. And maybe they are all going to be killed. But the doctor who is examining those prisoners, he knows Joshua because he is an old customer of, he knows Guido because he is an old customer of, he is Guido's old customer, where Guido when Guido used to serve in hotel. तर त्या हॉटेलमध्ये काम गिडो करत असतो, आधी दाखवलेलं आहे ते. तिथे तो डॉक्टर आलेला असतो. हे सगळं युद्ध वगैरे चालू होण्याच्या आधीची गोष्ट आहे. तर त्यामुळे तो डॉक्टर डिसाइड्स टू सेंड गिडो टू अ हॉटेल, राईट? आणि त्यामुळे गिडो अगेन इज सेव्ड. गिडो इज सेव्ड. आणि असं होता 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 द मूवी कंटिन्यूज बाय व्हेरियस. एव्हरी टाइम गिडो टेल्स जोशुआ दॅट दिस इज अ गेम. Even if he wants to go, one fine day, Joshua says that I don't want to play that game anymore, I am going home, I want to go home. Guido says okay. He tells Joshua, okay, we will go home, but then we will not get that tank, that the first prize. And he describes that tank in so vividly, so in so vivid words, that Joshua stays back, that small child stays back. आणि आपल्याला माहिती साधारण 1945 किंवा त्याच्या आधी अलाइड फोर्सेसनी जर्मनीचे जिथे जिथे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅम्प्स होते, पोलंड वगैरे सारख्या ठिकाणी सुद्धा जिथे जिथे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅम्प्स होते, तिथे अलाइड फोर्सेसनी, रशिया अमेरिकन या फोर्सेसनी हल्ला केला. आणि वन फाईन डे, नाऊ दिस इज वी आर टर्निंग टू द क्लायमॅक्स ऑफ दिस मूवी, की हल्ला होतोय, हे सगळ्यांना कळतंय की आता अलाइड फोर्सेस जे आहेत, मित्र राष्ट्रांचा हल्ला या जर्मनीवर झालेला आहे आणि लवकरच मित्र राष्ट्रांचं सैन्य इथे सुद्धा या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कॅम्पच्या इथे सुद्धा धडकणार आहे. पूर्ण कॅम्पमध्ये पळापळ, देअर इज मेहेम, ऑल द जर्मन्स आर इन फिअर फॉर देअर लाईफ. आत्तापर्यंत त्यांनी दे हॅव केप्ट दिस जूज अंडर द फिअर फॉर लाईफ, अँड आता मात्र दे आर इन दॅट फिअर ऑफ डेथ themselves. आणि म्हणून त्यांची पळापळ, गोंधळ चालू झालेला आहे. आणि या सगळ्या गोंधळाचा फायदा उठवून गिडो comes out, goes out of that particular barrack with Joshua. He wants to find out Dora and he wants to escape from there, taking the benefit of taking the advantage of this particular chaos. आणि now हा जो सीन सांगतोय, this is perhaps the climax of the movie, की एक बाप काय करू शकतो, एक माणूस ज्याचा आयुष्यातल्या सुंदरतेवर विश्वास आहे, अ पर्सन हू बिलीव्स व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली दॅट लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल अँड ही वॉन्ट्स टू बिलीव्ह हिज चिल्ड्रन ही वॉन्ट्स हिज चिल्ड्रन टू बिलीव्ह दॅट लाईफ इज ब्युटिफुल. तर तो कोणत्या थराला, तो कोणत्या लेव्हलला तो जाऊ शकतो, हे इथे आपण पाहतोय. या पर्टिक्युलर सीनमध्ये वेन ही टेक्स Guido takes Joshua out of their barrack, they go out of their barrack. आणि जेव्हा त्याला शोधायला जायचंय डोराला, ऑब्विसली शी इज इन अनादर बॅरॅक, शी इज इन अनादर बिल्डिंग, आणि सगळ्या प्रिझनर्स आता ट्रकमध्ये भरणं चालू आहे, त्या लेडीजना सगळ्या त्या ट्रकमध्ये भरणं चालू आहे. आणि इथे पर्टिक्युलरली हा जो गिडो आहे तो जोशुआला एका बॉक्स, ही हाईड्स जोशुआ इन अ पर्टिक्युलर बॉक्स, राईट. आणि तो त्याला सांगतोय आता हा गेमचा आपल्या शेवटचा, दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ द गेम, अँड नाउ इफ वी विन दिस पर्टिक्युलर स्टेज, then we will complete our 1000 points and we will win the game and we will win that tank. असं तो त्याला सांगतोय. तो जोशुआला पुढे सांगतोय, यू मस्ट रिमेन इन दॅट बॉक्स, त्या बॉक्समध्ये तू थांबायचं, मी जातोय जोपर्यंत मी येत नाही किंवा देअर इज ऑल क्वाइट, राईट, देअर इज ऑल क्वाइट, तोपर्यंत तू बाहेर पडायचं नाही. जोशुआ ॲग्रीज, दॅट स्मॉल चाइल्ड, ही ॲग्रीज. तिथे याला एक फट आहे, त्या बॉक्सला चौकोनी बॉक्स उभा असा बॉक्स आहे तो, आणि त्या बॉक्सला एक स्लिट, देअर इज अ स्लिट, अँड फ्रॉम दॅट स्लिट वी कॅन सी जोशुआज आईज. And while going from that particular, moving away from that box, Guido winks at Joshua and we can see that Joshua also winks from that box. And ithe Guido goes for, he looks for his wife, Joshua's mother Dora. And but there are Germans, there are those soldiers moving everywhere, and Guido is caught. Unfortunately, Guido is caught. And the soldier takes him away. He takes him away to execute. Guido is to be shot dead, right? आणि हा जो सगळ्यात आम्ही म्हणलो होतो क्लायमॅक्स ऑफ द मूवी असला पाहिजे या मूवीचा, व्हेरी इमोशनल सीन, दॅट व्हाईल they are the soldier who has caught Guido by his collar and they are moving in front of the box. Now remember, Joshua is hidden in that box. He is looking at Guido. Guido knows that Joshua is looking, and therefore he starts walking like a soldier. Oh no, kind of mimicking the parade. left, right. And at that moment, you must see this movie. That's why I'm saying that I cannot describe this particular scene. So touching. He looks at that particular box. We can see Joshua's eyes. And Guido winks. The soldier is there with his rifle behind Guido. And still, Guido winks at that particular box. And we can see from that slit that Joshua also winks. And the focus is again at Guido. The soldier takes him away, takes him in a lane, in a particular corner that we cannot see. That scene is not shown. That particular thing, death of Guido, is not shown. आणि इथे गिडोला घेऊन जातोय. And what we just hear the gunshots, the shots of that rifle, and Guido is obviously dead. We do not see his dead body. Obviously, the film is so subtle. The film is so subtle की त्याला मारताना वगैरे काही दाखवलं नाही. We just see the soldier coming back, killing Guido. And the next morning, everything is quiet. And Joshua comes out of that box. And when Joshua comes out of the box, because it is completely quiet, those Jews are going, and after they have gone, Joshua comes out of the box and he slowly walks on the road. Basically, the road in that prison, in that particular building. And then there comes an American tank. हे ॲक्च्युली तिथे सैन्य सगळं येतं, अमेरिकन सैन्य तिथे येतं. अँड that scene is very beautiful. This small child in front of the tank, in front of that American Sherman tank, and that driver of the tank, that soldier, he he sees that child, he sees Joshua, and he takes him abroad the tank. He takes Joshua abroad the tank, आणि तो त्याला घेऊन बसलेला आहे. जो आता शेवटाकडे आपण येतोय मूवीच्या, तो त्याला घेऊन बसलेला आहे टँकवर. अँड देन व्हाईल ऑन द टँक, Joshua sees his mother. Right? Now the real tank has come, and Joshua the child thinks that they have won the game because there is a tank. Right? So his father's words come true in a way. Right? So, and at that particular moment, he sees his mother, Dora. She has been already relieved by the soldiers, and she is sitting at the roadside. And as soon as immediately he gets down, the soldier helps him getting down of the tank, and he runs to his mother. He goes into her lap and he says, Mama, we have won the game, we have won. She also says we have won, and he says that we have won the game, Dad had told me we have won the game. It seems that Dora does not understand what Joshua is saying, and at that particular moment the movie ends. या सगळ्या मूवीमध्ये जो तुम्ही पाहिलाच पाहिजे, जे महत्वाचं आहे ते म्हणजे एक वडील मृत्यूचा तांडव आजूबाजूला चाललेलं असताना, त्यांना माहिती की आपण मरणार आहे, मरणाच्या दारात असताना सुद्धा ही रिटेन्स his child's belief that life is beautiful. विचार करा, if there is scene, Joshua tells Guido while in that prison, in the concentration camp, that other prisoner told that they are going to be killed, told Joshua that they are going to be killed. And here Guido tells, no, that is all nonsense. He tells Joshua that it is all nonsense. The another man told Joshua this because that particular man wants to win the game, and that's why he has just bluffed. Right? He had just told a lie to Joshua, and Joshua again trusts his father. Okay, this is a game. So असं सगळं भयानक मृत्यूचं तांडव आजूबाजूला असताना, this death all around them, and in that particular deadly atmosphere, that in that concentration camp, you imagine, in that concentration camp, when you are going to die at any particular moment, this father, Guido, succeeds in retaining his child's belief. he tells again and again, he tells his boy, his son, that this is a game. And by kind of this creating this make belief world of a game, this, you will say that he lies to his son. Obviously he lies, but why does he lie? Should he have told, no, no, we are going to die? This is nothing but we are going to die? All the time, whenever Guido meets his son in the camp, whenever he speaks to his son, he speaks in such a light tone, such a, light-hearted way, that nobody would believe that they are in the concentration camp. आणि अशा वेळेला मग त्यांनी खरं सांगायला पाहिलं होतं का? Had he lost his own hope that we are not going to survive, how terribly it would have affected his son. How terribly it would have affected that heart of Joshua, right? That innocent heart of Joshua. That child, 5 years old child, does not understand what is death. No. एवढे लहान मुलांना कळत नाही डेथ काय आहे, मृत्यू म्हणजे काय वगैरे, हे सगळं त्यांना कळत नाही. आणि अशा परिस्थितीत त्याला का बरं मृत्यूविषयी सांगायचं? त्याला का बरं लोकांच्या दुष्टपणाविषयी सांगायचं? का बरं त्याला सांगायचं की नाझीज आर बॅड आणि हे सगळं आता त्याला कळणार तरी आहे का? अँड देन इफ जरी त्याला ते समजा कळलं, तर एवढ्या लहान वयामध्ये त्याच्या मनामध्ये कायमची आढी पडून जाईल दुसऱ्या समाजाबद्दल. पुन्हा एक हेट्रेडचा सिलसिला, पुन्हा देअर विल बी अ चेन ऑफ हेट्रेड. Because hatred is always, it always creates a very strong bond. As love creates a very strong bond, the hatred also creates a very strong bond. And perhaps Guido does not want his son to have that hatred about others. Right? आणि त्या हेट्रेड गिडोला त्याच्या मुलाच्या मनामध्ये निर्माण नाही करायचं आहे, भीती निर्माण नाही करायची, डिप्रेशन, ही डझंट वॉन्ट हिज सन टू बी डिप्रेस्ड. अँड दॅट्स वाय he creates this illusion of a game and he succeeds. आणि म्हणून बेसिकली Joshua retains this particular faith that life is beautiful. I again tell you that you must see this very moving, very touching, heart-wrenching rather film. And therefore मी जसं सुरुवातीला म्हणलो की we grumble about very small things. This lockdown is nothing compared to that concentration camp, right? This lockdown is nothing. This too will pass. This too shall pass. ती जी गोष्ट आहे तसं this too shall pass, एवढंच आपण म्हणूया, राईट? आता आहे वेळ, हे फिल्म जरूर पहा. बाकीच्या अशा सुंदर सुंदर फिल्म्स आहेत ज्या वर्ल्ड क्लासिक्स बनलेल्या आहेत, त्या पहा. Right? We will again meet in the next episode, surely. तोपर्यंत stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Good night.